Today's video, I'm going to show you how to find unread chat messages in Microsoft Teams quickly and easily. If you're using Teams for work or school, it's important to stay on top of all your communications, but sometimes messages can pile up without you noticing. Let's walk through the steps so you never miss an important update again. First, make sure you're signed into your Microsoft Teams account. If you aren't logged in yet, head over to the Teams app or website and enter your credentials. Double-check that you're using the correct account so all of your chats and activity are available in one place. Having proper access ensures you can manage your messages efficiently. Once you're on the main Teams interface, look for the filter icon at the top right corner of your chat screen. The icon looks like a small funnel, and it's a powerful way to organize and narrow down your messages. Click on this filter icon, and you'll immediately see a few options that help you customize what you're viewing. To focus specifically on new messages, click on More Filter Options. From here, select the option labeled Unread. As soon as you do this, your chat list will instantly update, showing only the conversations that have messages you haven't opened yet. This makes it easy to spot and respond to the most important updates without scrolling endlessly through older chats. Now that you've filtered your chats, take a few moments to go through them, reply to urgent inquiries, catch up on missed updates, or simply mark them as read once you're caught up. Doing this regularly keeps your communication flow strong and ensures that colleagues, classmates, or teammates aren't waiting on your response. The unread filter is a small but extremely helpful feature in Teams. By checking it often, you'll maintain clear communication, avoid overlooking details, and boost your overall productivity. It's especially useful in busy group projects or when managing multiple conversations at once. So that's it. With just a few clicks, you can quickly find all your unread messages in Microsoft Teams and stay on top of your workflow. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. If you'd like more tips on using Microsoft Teams effectively, feel free to drop a comment below and subscribe for more tutorials. And don't forget to keep your notifications turned on so you never miss a future update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.